Tired of using old methods for CPA marketing that don't work? Ready for something different? In this special video, I'm going to share a new strategy that will boost your results without spending any money. And guess what? You don't need any special experience, and it doesn't matter where you're from. Work 3 hours every day, and in your pocket, $394 each week. It's one of the simplest ways to earn money on the internet. This method is completely free. You don't need to pay for ads, and perfect for beginners. Make sure not to skip this video. Stick around until the end to find out how you can use this strategy to earn some extra cash. Let's dive deeper into the process. First off, you need to create a CPA Grip account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. The sign-up process is very easy. Simply search for CPA Grip on Google, then click on the first link you see. Once you're on the CPA Grip homepage, click on the Register button. Then, follow the structure and enter your basic information. Then click on Register. Make sure to provide accurate details like your email address and a strong password. Once your CPA Grip account is ready, the next step is to choose the right offer. In today's method, we'll focus on promoting email and zip submit offers. It's a straightforward way to generate leads. No complicated tasks required. People simply submit their email, and we earn money from each email. Let's head back to CPA Grip. In today's method, we're focusing on promoting USA offers, particularly this special one. Get $4,500 cash now. This offer is available on both mobile and desktop for each email registered through our specific affiliate link. We earn $1. Just imagine, if you bring in 100 people, we'll earn $100 in return in a single day. So let's finish the process. Simply click on the offer we selected. Once the offer page opens, click on Get Link and copy your affiliate link. For the second step, create a basic landing page. Visit link 3 and click Sign Up for Free. Enter your username and email, then click Create Account. After that, enter your password and check your email for the verification code. Once verified, click on Add Link. Go back to CPA Grip and copy the offer link. Then paste it in this box. After that, click on Add. The next step you need to do is to give this offer a title to encourage people. To complete the simple task, go back to CPA Grip and copy the offer title. Then paste it here. But if you see the link now, it could look unsafe. People might not click on it. That's why we'll use Bitly, a website to shorten the link. Simply scroll down a bit, then paste your CPA offer link here and click Shorten. After that, copy the new link and return to Linktree to paste it here. Then click Share and copy your landing page link. Now, let me unveil the most powerful strategy for promoting your landing page link and attracting free traffic, which you can easily convert into leads. Facebook. To find individuals interested in earning money online, start by navigating to the platform and typing Make Money Online into the search bar. Then head to the group section. This will give you access to numerous groups where people gather to explore various ways of generating income online. Target groups with large followings, preferably those with over 100,000 members. Once you're in your chosen group, avoid the common mistake of simply dropping your link or posting generic queries about making money. Instead, look for engaging posts within the group, especially those that have received a lot of attention. Take inspiration from successful posts, or simply use this post. This tactic is designed to pique curiosity and drive interaction. Be prompt in responding to inquiries, indicating that you've messaged them the link. The goal is to maintain engagement within the post, attracting more participants. By repeating this process across multiple comments, you'll build a network of interested individuals with minimal effort. By crafting compelling posts and interacting with the audience, you can see your content spread organically. If just 3 of these posts gain traction within these groups, you could potentially attract 1,000 individuals to click on your link, submit their email for a chance to win $4,500, and consequently earn you a payout of $1 per email. Another effective tactic is to search for groups where people share their financial struggles, such as those where individuals seek assistance with bill payments. Simply go to the search bar and type, "Help me to pay my bills," to find a bunch of relevant groups. Join them and begin posting and commenting. You can also join giveaway-related groups and follow the same process. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification. See you in the next video for more strategies on making money online.